the past 2 weeks. As you know, this week the Prime Minister of Pakistan, His Excellency Mohammad Shahbaz Sharif, participated in the annual meeting of the World Economic Forum 2026 in Davos, Switzerland. Prime Minister Shahbaz Sharif led a high-level delegation to the 56th annual meeting of the World Economic Forum from 20 to 22nd January. The Prime Minister held multiple substantive engagements, including participation in the World Economic Forum annual gathering of world economic leaders. The session was titled Restoring a Spirit of Dialogue in a Divided World. On the sidelines of the WEF, the Prime Minister met Ms. Kristalina Georgieva, Managing Director of the IMF, and addressed Pakistan's breakfast at the Pakistan Pavilion. During the visit, Pakistan, along with 7 other Arab Islamic countries, including Egypt, Indonesia, Jordan, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, and Turkey and the UAE, joined the Board of Peace as part of the ongoing efforts to support the implementation of Gaza Peace Plan under the framework of the United Nations Security Council Resolution 2803. Pakistan, along with these 7 countries, also issued a joint statement on the occasion, which I'm sure you covered and is available on our web portal. This week, the President of Pakistan, His Excellency Mr. Asif Ali Zardari, is undertaking an official visit to the United Arab Emirates from 26th to 29th January. On the 27th January, the President met with His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, President of the United Arab Emirates and the ruler of Abu Dhabi. The two leaders discussed ways to further deepen the long-standing and brotherly relations between Pakistan and the UAE. They reviewed the full spectrum of bilateral cooperation and explored new opportunities in trade, investment, energy, infrastructure, technology, and people-to-people exchange, highlighting the significant potential for expanding economic and strategic partnership. President Zardari highlighted the significance of His Highness President Al Nahyan's recent visit to Pakistan and expressed hope for continued support for strengthening bilateral ties. Both sides also exchanged views on a range of regional and international developments and reaffirmed their commitment to promoting peace, stability, and sustainable development. The visit of President, subsequent to the recent visit of the UAE President, reflects the deep brotherly ties and mutually rewarding partnership